There's one thing I absolutely love. That is a bit of property porn. Rightmove, Zoopla, all these portals, Instagram. We love looking at houses and commenting on them. And I think one of the really great fun things I think about the sort of the internet age and real estate, especially in my time coming from pre-internet and into the internet and then the social media age, are things like the sort of the Farrow and Ball effect. And I've got to admit, you know, like everyone else, I do love a bit of Farrow and Ball. And I do love the obvious Farrow and Ball makeovers that you see online or when you're walking around a certain type of area. And it does beg the question, does paint colour matter? And I think the short answer is yes, because we do talk about the Farrow and Ball effect. So, you know, is that just a sort of upper middle class kind of issue for real estate? I'd say no. I'd say if you go around certain areas that maybe have come up in the world, like East London and far out into East London and towards the fringes of Essex, you go around areas like that and you see, you know, a prevalence of the colour right behind me that I've got in my kitchen right here. Grey. Can't go wrong with grey. Just what you do around the grey that hopefully will make it a bit more interesting and have a bit more of a design ethic. I think paint colour, I think it does matter. I think it does. It tugs at your heartstrings and it gives you a bit of an idea of what you're possibly dealing with before you go there. But it is fun. And, you know, looking at paint colours and, you know, when I bought this house and I'm sitting right now doing this video, I remember in this very room, it was very orange and very grey. And we kind of had a bit of a laugh with that when we bought it. We just took away some of the orange and, you know, hopefully created a really good environment around the more grey colour. So yeah, paint. It's important. If you're selling your house, selling your flat, have a look at the paint and think, is someone really going to like this? Are they going to put off by this? Are the photos going to look awful? You know, have a think about that because I think it's quite important.